How did you end up as a powerful employment law attorney in the Chicago area, Amy? Where did it start for you that has you here doing this?
It really goes down to a 5-year-old kind of idea that it is circuitous. I grew up in a household with a sick parent. My
Oh,
father
wow.
had Crohn's disease and
Hmm.
was very sick a lot of my childhood. When I was 5, I remember being in the car and my mom was picking him up at the Kimball L station. And he came out literally with a pink slip. He was an architect. He worked for a large firm downtown. And this was before laws like the Family Medical Leave Act, where a company would be prohibited from terminating someone from using the benefits of the health insurance. So it was suspected that because my father was in and out of the hospital, he was the first to go when there was any kind of reduction in force. So from that, I saw the direct impact that it had on my family and my family's stability. He went to work for himself and he was a very poor businessman. So a couple of things came from that. One, when I became a lawyer and wanted to start my own practice, I said, I'm not going to be a poor businesswoman. I'm
Okay.
going to exceed. I'm going to do exactly the opposite. And I think that's how you and I met, Peter, just networking and getting out there and telling
Right.
people the solutions that I can offer. So as it relates to the topic, though, of employment law, I just saw such a profound impact. My sister said to me, why don't you become a lawyer? I had never thought about it before. There are no lawyers in my family. And
Yeah.
I just decided, well, what the hell? I'll take the LSAT and see what happens. And I'm sure
Right.
you're really familiar with this in family laws. We're dealing with people, with strife like every
Right.
day. And I think that appealed to me on a human level. I think I have a natural instinct to try to take care of people. And so it really fit in with what my personality was as well. So these are really the basics of what got me here. Graduated in 2012 and there were no jobs at all.
Hmm.
I was a contractor making $18 an hour with loads of law school debt.
Right.
And I got released from that job a week before my wedding. And
Oh,
then my husband said, you know what? Maybe you should just go out on your own.
oh.
And the rest is history. We're in our 10th year of the practice. We've done a lot of work over the last 10 years.
There aren't that many people who, yeah, like really started their firm almost right from law school like that. I had a couple jobs before I launched, even though it's been a minute now. That's cool.